How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2012 Ford F-250. This door panel should be on the same for like 2011 up to like 2016. Super simple door panel to pop off. We'll go ahead and start. You're just gonna have two covers we need to take off first. There's gonna be a cover underneath the door handle, so we'll pop this off. And then you're also gonna need to take the cover off where the speaker's at. All right, you're just gonna have one pin. Just unclick that, super simple. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove our 4 bolts. You're gonna have 2 behind that plastic cover and then 2 underneath the door. All right, now that we got our 4 bolts out, we literally just lift straight up. So that's the front door panel. Now we'll move on to the rear. All right, now we're on the rear. Same procedure, just no more covers and 1 less bolt. So we'll take our 2 bolts out underneath the grab handle. And then we have 1 bolt on the bottom. And then just lift straight up. And voila, so that's how you take the door panel off of a 2012 F-250 on the front and the rear. Thanks for watching.